Hey, welcome to Soda Beers, Jack of Barbecue. Check out the capon we did on the S&S kettle. Hey, I'm Craig, the man behind the camera's Jack. Yeah, I said capon. So capon is a male chicken that's been castrated at a young age, feed it a high nutritious diet, and they grow up pretty plump. This is a 9.5 pound chicken right here. They actually have bigger. We actually have an 11.5 pound we picked up as well. That will show at a future date. But the Palman Farms, I had trouble finding these. Our friend Barry told us about them, that his family used to use them for a holiday. Smaller family, didn't need a big turkey to do it at different holidays, so they would do a capon. It's supposed to be a lot juicier than regular chickens, is what I've been told as well. Not sure how true that is. We'll find out today. But Palman Farms is about an hour and 20 minutes from us in Clark Summit, Pennsylvania. And Jack and I drove, got these, gonna spatchcock this, hit it with Postal Barbecue's chicken rub. Javen makes some great rubs. Like I said, we got our meat stick ready to go here, and we're gonna spatchcock it, season it, get it on the grill. We'll bring you back. All right, so here we are. we didn't show it on camera, but I spatchcocked it, cut the bone inside, kind of flattened this thing out so it sits nice, cut any excess skin off, did all that, seasoned it up real nice on the bottom side and the top side here with Javen's, or Postal Barbecue's chicken R rub. Got the meat stick all set, ready in the breast. I'm gonna let my small meat stick charge it probably before I'm gonna stick it in the thigh, because I wanna monitor that as well. But just kind of wanted to show you the process. Like I said, took a big kitchen shears, cut the backbone out, got everything ready to go here. It's looking nice, looking like a nice big chicken to sit on the S&S. So gonna prep the grill, finish prepping the grill, and we'll get it on there. All right, we're gonna light our chimney of coals. We were sent these fire cups from Tiger McCool Barbecue Company. Just came in the mail today, so we're gonna try them out right away. US made company, handmade fire cups. That lit pretty quick. Let's get the chimney on this thing and we'll get the fire hot. All right, let's throw it on. Just had it off to clean the grates. Gonna keep this to the side as much as we can, away from the fire there. Let me touch up where I just knocked some of the seasoning off. All right, gonna have the grill running around 350 to 400. And probably once it gets about halfway, 100 degrees, 110 degrees, we're gonna turn it. All right, let's give this a flip. This one passed 100 degrees. Wow, does that look nice? The grill's running a little warm, but so I turned the vent closed a little bit. Also going to add into a thigh. Oh, is that juicy? I don't want to get too far in. There we go. We'll bring it back as we get a little closer now. We'll see what time we bring it back though. Wow. Yep, 149. As further I get into it, that's what I wanted to check. So I'm not deep. I'm missing it with that probe over there. See what the thigh is reading right now. That one looks kind of done there. That one as well. Hit a bone. All right, so we just let the internal here come up yet more. All right, we'll let it ride. So I decided to turn it, get the breast moving towards the middle here a little bit more. Just because the legs and thighs look like they're done already. So we kind of want to bring some of this heat right towards those breasts. And from the underneath as well. So we'll see how that rolls for another 10 minutes or so and see if it raises the temperature for us. So I actually repositioned the one meat stick as well, just to see if I can get a better temperature towards where we were getting those low readings. All right, I think we're good. We think we're there. Looks nice. The 162 there, getting there. Still climbing a little bit. So we're gonna pull it off, let it rest, and we'll cut in it, show what it looks like. As always, cheers. Here we are, end of the cook. Did a capon on the S&S kettle. Really looks nice. Struggled a little bit with it. I had the meat stick probably not the right spot, so we had to readjust that, get it in the right spot, let it last a little longer. I had a couple more coals to it. I didn't figure enough coals that I put in there, but got it done. Here we are, looks good. Like I said, I spatchcocked it, hit it with Postal Barbecue's chicken or rub. Also, you saw us light the grill with these fire cups. They work great, man. This thing took off. As soon as the fire hit it, this thing just took off. Started the chimney, did a great job. Local company, or local USA company, I should say. We're actually going to add a couple extra prizes to our giveaway. So go watch our 5,000 giveaway for the fire cups. We'll actually put it at the end. Just add a couple more prizes in there. But go to our 5,000 giveaway, leave a comment, and enter in. We're going to do a drawing on December 7th. So let's cut in this, see how we did. Cut into a breast at first just to get a piece of this off. I see the juice moving. That looks good. Tastes like chicken. I didn't get the skin, that's my favorite part. Nice and crispy. James rub really adds a nice flavor to this. It's going to be a good meal. Nice as a capon. It's a little bit different, but we like to show different stuff on our channel as well. So hopefully like what you're seeing, subscribe to the channel, click the bell notifications, and we'll see you next time.